Good Robot Vacuum Cleaner, a magic vacuum cleaner. With a rapid social and economic development, the living standards is becoming higher and higher, and the life space is becoming faster and faster. So people are eager to improve life quality with much more expectation. Nobody to do the housework. Don't know which gifts to send to the boss. How to give the wife a surprise. How to show the love to parents. Give the children a cleaning environmental. With the Good Robot Vacuum Cleaner, here everything will be easy. Yes, you're right. What a big surprise the magical object will bring you. Don't doubt, just believe your eyes. Here, the magical object, Good Robot Vacuum Cleaner. It is playing the role as a private nanny. No need to pay salary, but eat all the dirties. Here, he starts his work. He is moving flexible on wooden, tile, carpet floor. Go through under sofa and bed by himself. How to do with a traditional vacuum cleaner. Dirt detection function. He will automatically change his walking route when he perceives much dirtier area. Prolong his cleaning time and add his cleaning strength for such area. Look how magical. Anti-falling function. See by yourself. The edge of stairs and desk. No falling. Multiple cleaning models. Auto cleaning model. Spot. Precise. Wall following cleaning models to cleaning the house more effectively. Mopping function. Take the mopping on the bottom to mop the floor, and also you can wet the mop to clean the floor. UV light to kill the bacteria. The robot will alarm when it meets any problem during its working, and the LCD display will show to sign accordingly to tell you where the problem is, so that you can help him to solve the problem easily. If the robot is in trouble or is hung up, he will stop his work and alarm accordingly. Nobody is at home, but can do the housework either. That is preset the cleaning time. How wonderful the robot is for his preset cleaning time function. He will start working in the designated time. Look, here, virtual wall, an accessory of the cleaner, can block area by sending special infrared signal so as to prevent the cleaner from entering some unnecessary area. It will turn off automatically after 2 hours to save the battery power. Much low noise. You can do some reading, listening music when it is working. Here, flexible side brush who can sweep the dirt from the corner. When he is in short power, it will turn to the charging base to charge itself automatically. Once successful, the green light will flicker. Wow, successful! Wonderful! No need to clean the dustbin. Save labor, save energy, save time, much more convenience. This is the breakthrough for the Good Robot Vacuum. Disposable bag for the dustbin. With the disposable dustbin bag. No need to clean the dirty hands because of cleaning a dustbin. Save the time to cleaning the dustbin. Save the energy. No need to worry about the bacteria. Don't hesitate and take it home. The most advantages compared with other models. 1. Dirt detection function. So fantastic. 2. The disposable bag. Breakthrough for the robot vacuum. 3. Easy to operate with much more powerful function. 4. Alarm and LCD display. Good Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Auto Vacuum. Enjoy your life. Below are some tips during the using of vacuum cleaner. 1. Please clean up the wires and pieces of glass in case there is any damage caused. The robot will automatically change its direction when encountering the obstacle and continue to work. 2. The voltage of the charging base is very low and there is no harm to human body. 3. If the robot is near the charging base, which turns on, the remote controller will be failed because of the interface of the red infrared signals. Don't worry, The controller will work after the robot is not in front of the charging base. 4. No obstacle or hollow areas from 1.5 to 3 meters away from the docking station in front and 0.5 meter on the right and left, or the auto charging function may be affected. 5. Please place the batteries for virtual wall and remote controller with correct polarity. 6. Increase noise in cleaning. Please clean or replace the filter in time. 7. Place the dustbin down and install it correctly in case of poor cleaning effect. 8. Please clean the air outlet window in timely, unless the effect of cleaning will become poor. 9. Please clean the 3 ground detection sensors if they're dirty, unless the anti-folding function will be affected. 10. Don't use mop when it works on carpet.